Hi, we hope that you are getting excited about your upcoming backpacking trip with Fieldguides. We are thrilled to get to go out on the trail with you, and we want to make sure that you have the equipment that you need to have a good time. The difference in what you bring and how much your backpacking weighs does make a difference on how much you enjoy your trip. The first thing that we want to make sure that you have is a backpacking backpack. And this is one of the items that you can borrow for free from Fieldguides. So if you don't have something with an external or an internal hard frame with a waist strap and that is at least 45 liters or above, please let us know so that we can bring you an appropriate backpacking backpack. The next item that we want you to have with you is a ground tarp. You will have the option of sleeping inside a Fieldguides tent, but if you want to take advantage of a chance at sleeping outside under the stars, bringing a lightweight poncho or a lightweight tarp to go under your sleeping pad is an essential item. Those sleeping pads are going to have a couple of options. The first is your basic foam roll-up sleeping pad. These are super great, they're super lightweight, they attach easily to the outside of your backpack, and they're going to do what they need to do to keep you warm. The other common option that you have is an inflatable pad like a Thermarest. Do make sure that there are no holes before you come on the trip, but it's another great lightweight option that you can use while you're out backpacking. Again, a sleeping pad is an item that you can request from Fieldguides, and we will bring you a good one to go backpacking with. The next item that we want to talk about and is essential is your sleeping bag. Again, this is something that you can ask Fieldguides to provide to you, and we want to make sure that it is for backpacking. So if it's one of those big ones that you bring car camping and roll up in bungees, that's not what we want. We want something that's going to be small and fits inside that backpacking backpack. It should be rated between 15 and 30 degrees. If it's above that, please do ask for one of ours. We want to make sure that you are warm at night when you are out on this backpack trip with us. That should take care of you at night and sleeping. So let's move on to some of the other essential gear that you're going to need to have on this backpacking trip. The next item is water bottles, and there's a couple options. We want to make sure that you are carrying at least 2 liters of water, so that could be 2 single-liter water bottles, something like a nice plastic Nalgene, or even an empty Gatorade or vitamin water bottle will work. If you have a water bladder like a Camelback, that's great to bring, but please do bring one of these as well. Now, let's talk a little bit about footwear. Hiking often happens in hiking boots, and these can be great. High ankle, lots of support, great soles for backpacking. If these are something that are new to you, you want to make sure that you are wearing them for at least a week before your trip. New hiking boots can often cause blisters, so if you're getting these kind, make sure that you wear them in. If you're getting something a bit more lightweight, and depending on your trip, you may just be able to wear your basic athletic lightweight shoe. These are also great to bring as a second shoe to wear. So if your hiking boots get uncomfortable, you have another lightweight pair of shoes that you can change into. Another option for lightweight pairs of shoes, if you feel very confident with your footwear, is a Croc. They're easy to carry, they're comfortable to wear around the campsite, and most importantly, they are closed-toed. We don't want any sandals or open-toed shoes. We want to make sure that your feet are happy and healthy without cuts or bruises. So Crocs are an awesome way to go to make sure that your feet stay happy and healthy and comfortable. The other thing that we want to do to make sure that your feet are happy, healthy, and comfortable is make sure that you have the right socks. These are both pairs of wool socks that have a little bit higher ankle as well. Please no cotton short socks. We want that wool sock to get those feet in the best condition while you're out there on the trail.
Just like you're gonna bring one sock for each day, another item that you wanna make sure that you bring one pair of for each day is your underwear, so please don't forget them. A little bit different than that though is a bra. So if you wear bras, then please make sure you bring one bra for hiking and one bra for hanging out. Also goes on your base layer is a swimsuit. We might be doing some swimming on this trip, so please make sure that you have your swimsuit. For hiking, you will need to bring a pair of shorts. A pair of athletic shorts is great. You may choose to bring a second pair of athletic shorts for hanging out. If you use swim trunks, your swim trunks can be that second pair of shorts. In addition to shorts, you're gonna wanna bring a pair of warm pants. You might choose to bring a nice fleece-lined legging, not just a regular legging, a fleece-lined legging, or you can bring just a nice warm pair of joggers or athletic pants to be your warm pants. Moving up from your legs to your top part, you're gonna wanna make sure that you bring one shirt for hiking and one shirt for hanging out. So 2 shirts in total. In addition to short sleeve shirts, you're gonna wanna bring long sleeve shirts and layers to keep you warm. What we would recommend that you bring is one lightweight long sleeve, such as a long underwear top, in addition to a kind of heavier, warmer long sleeve shirt. So those are your long layers to help keep you warm. In addition to those long layers to keep you warm, you wanna make sure that you bring a lightweight jacket. That could be a little puffy jacket like this, a lightweight puffy jacket. A lightweight fleece jacket would also be great. Please don't bring any heavy cotton items. Those are not so good.
The last layer that can help you stay not only warm, but is essential to helping you stay dry is a rain jacket. Make sure you have something that is designed to be a rain jacket, not just a windbreaker, and is something that is nice and lightweight. We don't want you bringing something like a snowboard or a ski jacket. Those are awesome at keeping you warm and dry, but they are heavy and we don't want you to have to carry that weight while you're out on trail. The last item that we want to talk about in terms of making sure that you do stay warm is just your classic wool hat or beanie. Wearing one of these at night does wonders to keep you warm. The other head accessory item that we want to talk about, and it's not for at night when it's cold, it's for the daytime when it's sunny. Bringing a hat with a visor, whether it surrounds or just in the front, is going to be a great thing for sun protection while you're out on the trail.
Speaking of sun protection, there's a few other items that we highly recommend that you bring. Sunscreen. Sunscreen protects you from the sun. Don't bring a giant bottle. A small bottle is okay, or coordinate with your friends if you're going to bring a larger bottle. In addition, you might also want to bring sunglasses. It can get pretty bright out there on the trail, so you want to protect your eyes. This can be sun protection, but is also just good for everything. So now I'm kind of going to move into some odds and ends items that you should bring on the trail. And it is a bandana. This can be great to put over your neck while you're hiking as sun protection. It can be great to blow your nose. It can be great to hold hot pans. Bandanas are pretty much great for everything. So a bandana is a great thing to have out on the trail. Another kind of cloth item that you might want to have is a sarong or lightweight pack towel. This can be really good, especially if you're going to be swimming on your trip, so this is what you want to use to dry off. Please do not bring a regular bulky towel. We don't want those on the trail. They get wet and really heavy and they don't dry. So a lightweight sarong or pack towel is great. Other things that you will need out on the trail: toothbrush and toothpaste. Notice this is a small toothpaste. Don't bring a big large tube of toothpaste unless you're going to share with your friends. Speaking of what you're going to need for your mouth, you need to bring a bowl and a spoon. This is a lightweight plastic bowl. Please don't bring metal. It gets hot and hard to hold. In addition to your bowl, it's an option to bring a lightweight cup for drinking hot beverages in the evenings. So that's kind of your mess kit. Don't bring a full mess kit. This is all you'll need to eat while you're out on the trail. After you eat, it tends to get dark at night, so we ask that you please bring a lightweight headlamp or small flashlight. An item that sometimes you can forget because it's small, so it didn't make it into my sun protection section, is your chapstick. If you can have SPF chapstick, even better. So you don't want to forget that while you are out there.
All of those items are found on your backpacking equipment list that your school should be providing to you from Fieldguides. There's also some optional items that we didn't talk about. Those are listed along with some do not brings. Our recommendation: don't bring every optional item. Bring a couple. Make sure that that backpack is light. With added food and water weight, expect to add about 10 pounds to that total backpack weight that you have on at home. Be kind to your body, make it lightweight, and we look forward to seeing you out on the trail.
Thanks for watching this video.